next is hashtag many values to multiple variables. A, B, C equals 5, double quote hello, 3.5. Print open parenthesis A, B, C close parenthesis. So multiple variables can be assigned in one line. A gets 5, B gets double quote hello, and C gets 3.5. So here's the output. 5 hello 3.5.